So today, guys, we're going to be doing a fun around video. The Oven Forest repairing video was just some tutorial I made. Wasn't really part of my channel, but yeah. So we're going to be testing all the core points. Yeah. And we're making sure all the sound is working. Here's one up there. One up there. Smoke detector. I won't be testing that in this video. Might do in some future video, but yeah. I suppose I'll just make sure. Nope. Yep. Make sure it's so I can access the controls easier. So just gonna. This is conventional system. That one flashes. That one doesn't. Yeah, so that was it says Zone 3 KSE. Yeah, should be it. Now, make sure that's reset. I'm gonna reset the panel. Hopefully it doesn't go off again. So I'm gonna real quick test this boy. I'll show you it activating on the panel. Ow! That actually hurts. Make sure I reset that. Yeah, in case you wondered. What is this panel? It's just my panel. I have it. I have no idea how my mum got it for me. But yeah, that's a Cooper fully in. That's an Ampac Zone Sense Plus. KSE. That up there, that sounder is Cooper fully in white sounder with a red stripe. That's a CTEK. Yeah, it's a CTEK smoke detector. CTEK active smoke detector. This up here is a Cooper fully sounder. Used to be a sounder beacon, but then the beacon broke, so I took the beacon out. That klaxon is not wired up. That's actually really rare. That. Yeah, that's fun. Those are the two fire alarms of the system. And we're just going to do one more thing for fun. Don't know what that button does. That's false. Disables. I'm not going to show you. The Ampac password, the general, just the first password you get with the panel is 3 3 3 3. It's just 4 3s. So then flick for system. That's just stuff. I'm just going to press cancel to everything. I'm going to reset the panel so it doesn't go off again. So that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The reason my video wasn't that long is because my phone is not got much battery. It's still quite a good phone, but yeah. See you next time. Oh. These that's not the original lock of the panel. The original key switch broke, so we just got a new one, soldered it on. So yeah, I just found dead moth on my panel. And this, yeah. The reason there's like semi-faults is so if you go like, yeah, there's two faults. One is charger and one is sparing. I don't know what sparing is. So charger is that, because I'm not allowed to use mains. I'm using it off the backup battery. The 24-volt charger thing here. So it's a neat setup for exercise. There's some matches and stuff in here for testing the smoke detector. Just get a small piece of paper and set it on fire and then blow it out. And then I've got also a spare glass element, just in case, because you never know when you'll need one. Power switch over there. We're not going to be fiddling with that. So yeah, that's my panel. I have no idea where it came from. I just got it for Christmas. So yeah. See you next time I'll make a video. Bye guys.